Welcome to our woodworking workshop, where precision is key. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for any woodworker, mastering the tape measure. Hey there, fellow woodworkers. If you're ready to take your woodworking game to the next level, understanding how to read a tape measure is a must. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. A tape measure is divided into inches, feet, and fractions of an inch. Each inch is further divided into smaller units, usually 16ths or 32nds of an inch. The longest markings on the tape measure represent whole inches. Each inch is labeled with its numerical value, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Smaller markings between whole inches represent fractions of an inch. These fractions are typically marked as 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, and sometimes even 1/32. Now let's talk about using the tape measure to measure length. Extend the tape measure along the object being measured, making sure it lies flat and straight. Read the measurement where the end of the object lines up with the markings on the tape measure. When measuring inside dimensions, hook the tape measure onto one end of the inside edge and extend it to the other end. For outside dimensions, hook the tape measure onto the outside edge and read the measurement directly. And don't forget about the tape measure hook. It moves slightly to account for its own thickness, ensuring accurate inside and outside measurements. Always make sure it's flush against the object for precision. Like any skill, mastering the tape measure takes practice. Familiarize yourself with the markings and practice measuring various objects to improve your accuracy and confidence. And there you have it, folks. With these essential skills under your belt, you'll be well equipped to tackle any woodworking project with confidence and precision. Thanks for watching.